Hello friends, once again I welcome you for the session of development of surfaces. Today we will see one another problem based on development of surfaces of cylinder. Consider a problem. A cylinder of diameter 60 mm and height 90 mm is kept vertical. It is cut by a plane inclined at 30 degree to circular base and passing through a midpoint of axis of the cylinder. Draw the development of lateral surface of cylinder. First read this problem carefully. Now the change is here. The cutting plane is passing through the midpoint of the axis of the cylinder. So let us go for the solution. As usual, draw XY line, then horizontal center line in the top view, vertical center line. Considering this intersection as center of the circular base named as O. Draw the circle of diameter given value is 60 mm. Now to produce the front view of this cylinder, extend this center line in the front view. Then considering height which is given 90 mm, draw a locus of top view of the cylinder. Then extend the projections, that means draw the generators and generators of this cylinder. This rectangle is the front view of this cylinder. Now take the midpoint of this axis which is at half of this height, 45 mm. Now draw cutting section line which is inclined at 30 degree to the base of the cylinder. Now divide this circle into 8 equal parts. Name the parts as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So to obtain the respective cut, draw the vertical projections in this way. Now these projections will cut this section line at these points. We can name the parts for the base as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash and 8 dash. Similarly for the top surface also we can name them. Now the intersection we can name B-1, B-2, B-3, B-4, B-5, B-6, B-7 and B-8. Now the remaining part of the cylinder we can show it by the outline as shown in figure. Now we have to develop this cylinder, remaining part of the cylinder. Considering the length of this development which is equal to circumference of this base circle taking diameter equal to 60 mm. The length of the development will be 188.49 and the height of the development is equal to this 90 mm. So draw a rectangle. Now divide this rectangle into 8 number of equal parts. These lines represents the respective generators drawn from these divisions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 8. We can name the divisions like this here. Okay, next is draw the horizontal projection from point P1. Now the intersection of this horizontal projection and this first division is point P1. Same thing here, we got point P1. Now draw second horizontal projection from P2. We can locate point P2 on this second generator, and the same is for P8. So on the division number 8 on this generator we can locate P8 point. Similarly, we will get all the points on the respective generators by drawing the respective projections and the respective generators. P3 and here P7. From P4 obtain P4 point and on 6th generator P6 point, and finally take projection from P5 and on generator 5, 5th generator obtain P5. Now after getting all such points, we can join them by the help of French curve in this way. Okay. Now the remaining part of the cylinder we can show it by outline, thick outline in this way. Okay. This outline shows the development of the cylinder. In this way, we have completed the total solution of the problem. Thank you.